How bad?
Not good.
We're gonna get you out of here. We're almost there.
Put me down. Put me down for a second.
Dutch, medkit.
What's wrong with him?
He's got a punctured lung. Can't breathe. Better?
Now what?
Trains ran underground up to the old city. We're gonna find one of the tunnels. Walk on out of here.
You're gonna carry me all the way, sweetheart?
Was planning on it, but now that you're feeling better... Get the door!
Johnny, you're gonna want to see this.
This means we're screwed, right? Not yet. Wait here. We're gonna steal that ride. It's landing. Now's our chance. Mickey, you're with me.
Johnny, I can fly a Pelican, but a Phantom? It's been years since I even ran a simulation.
Well, let's see what you remember, Cooper. Move!
Look out, Banshee!
See him? See him? Oh no, we're done for!
Johnny, more of those floating squids. Should we smoke them?
They're between us and that Phantom. What do you think?
Reinforcements! Phantom!
Give me a sec, and okay. Major blink. Fly, you son of a bitch! Go, Mickey, up the lift, kill the pilot.
Here goes nothing! Cabin secure. Flight controls read green across the board. Well, it's purple. But she's good to go. I think. On my way!
That's the way we're headed. Take him out. Yeah!
Head through the tunnel, Gunny. Go on, Gunny. Take the lead. Everyone watch their elbows. Gonna be a tight squeeze.
That's right, you damn aliens. Doesn't feel so good, does it? Collected some paybacks a bitch.
I don't think it actually says that, Dutch.
I'm paraphrasing, you heathen.
Hoorah!
Damn! Covenant must have blocked the door to the next area. I see an override switch, Gunny. Hang on, I'll set a beacon.
Door's open. I'll go first.
Roger that. Follow your lead. power.
I'll head through on foot, see if I can find a workaround inside the tunnel. Running low!
Cannot stand against the brutes. I'll track that animal out of there.
Gunny, check the far end of the tunnel. Might be a backup generator. That did it! Door's open.
Troopers, I got bad news.
What? You really are gonna make us walk out of this city?
We got a scarab right by our exit.
This is the best mission ever.
I expect your head from your body.
Knock on its legs! Stop moving, Gunny!
Big bad thing.
Overhaul, Gunny! Let it burn!
Head into the tunnel before another one shows up.
Keep her steady, Mickey. You doing okay?
Just glad we didn't go with your first plan. Look at those tunnels. Ones that aren't flooded are probably packed with buggers. Hell, I wouldn't go down there even if you ordered me to.
Come on, Veronica. What could be more important than that carrier?
My orders. And Buck, call me Captain.
Mickey, turn around. Find a safe place to set us down.
What? Why?
I lost something. Now I know where to find her.